accommodating us. Why invest in the party? But the question is, the party not invested in you? Who for America by any more? Don't we know that? President Kuffour ne be.
Mami Mao akwaba emfa umbra Ghana insem TV GH so wofre me adwoa search nim. Ebusuafo ni pe okase oye NDC communicator na ochire se hwe se wo abofra na wotete no na wanfa na starting tete papa na sa wo fefere na obenyi na waje hunsem wo ka hwe a ontie na se wa sei ebi na honorable kan dia compare ko Japan NPP for a man waje nsem omo afefe no na branti papa ye kyerese na honorable kan dia compare ko Japan no wo free US ba omo hu o man penda da Kuffour na man na wo ye fe ne se Kennedy na wo te NPP party ni mu na kyerese wo pesa wo say party no na branti ya ke bia NPP for anya asem kweto akwa yenti nsem ode etudwa.
Those who think they are forming this group because Baumia must be president, can I catch him with July or so, June, July next year?
Yes.
But
the party for them to be a petition the National Executive Committee of the MPP. I'm on 2 weeks. Sir, Canada, 1 month penal.
Because the previous MPP allow Ken a Japan in the group no a form your group we are loyal to only Ken, not the MPP. And the feel say anything about Ken today is just to crash Ken. If you go after Ken, we will come after you. That is where they are now. So people feel, hey, Mamun Tachino. Yen Tachino. Mamun Tachino. Yen Tachino. Who touching a problem? One touching so a problem. That is where they have reached now. It's just a rational and a useful political party. Don't allow one person to be so powerful in your political settings, calling the shots. All he will do is to become a nuisance to you. And at the time of a nuisance, whether you touch him or you don't touch him, it becomes a crash point.
Problem be wo.
And now MPP faces here. If they touch Ken, problem. If they don't touch Ken,
problem.
Alan who's only grounds be or that if see for us or party no bet me causing nuisance or see me treat. But Ken Full say he hold a certain umbilical call of the MPP until he can create and uncreate.
Sure, no,
you can make and unmake.
Wako primary sir
yes.
When you're 37.
And no na eshe ni sa kutupa Gyimie kutupa no.
The Kenny and right now
Gyimie. You see, when you are a leader and you want to lead people, ma unyanse di unkai, me ma we fundi unkai. Ken nyanse ni nini. Sebi, ni den na mika sebi krambo. Gon yo no sebi nyanse bi eni.
And near me koso e won a political party. A ususu say mpanifo ni bia won omu nyina edi party de nim kra no atene omachi e dia
fimwe
e dia ma no.
Go your way or sit in and be a father. Now can say bibia ye janu mo fie na ye omude. But because they are fathers, they are fathering us. They are what? Accommodating us. Why invest in the party? But the question is, the party not invested in you? Who for America by any more? Don't we know that? President Kuffour ne be di o mampina we must be any power Ghana. Sure. And they are becoming nuisance to our political fiber. And mwashe mrantie bi mu kutupa na Gyimie na da koka. And no bi mu so person mu ye say ye hu omu say omu no betimi am mobilize aboba obi echi dom no. Baumia will leave. Ye hu omu say omu no betimi am mobilize aboba obi echi dom no. Baumia will leave and that group become a nuisance to the political party again. MPP, NDC.
Yes.
We may all not be equal, but we all have equal stake.
Yes.
Ebimudi but we are paying now for boning in the amount. Mimi ohia ni stubborn proud. Usika entimi temi mi.
Uni be crab account.
Yes, because where you stand and you think your money you have to no. You have the money. I may also have something. Me ni be crab me onyansa. Obi was koni nyansa okroma. We are seeing niama miensa and the body pa ho ban.
Yes.
Unkwa. Wa ho ndi no nyansa.
Okay.
Uwo niama miensa we abibia obetimi aye. Mi wonkwa. No ahondi, no nyansa. In this case. We will scarce say na me ni ahondi a who am I? Because we be scarfor or my bed reading. Scanning to me somewhere. People have money, they don't have sense. Into your money basa. Even a Kenyan.
But don't you think, sir?
Party no nyansa se bi ni witrim na so Gyimie a ana obedi de base achi na opolito to witrim hu na fita ana ye ofufuo ana we ko twa nkan ana oba no se ana we se we so we ndi kan ade tem me ma we me oni enuru ne so owie na so gbasam tofa no ene se enuru ne so enti obi a we reasonable person bi a odwene from afar uko nyina nim se me ye the base enti braba support yen obusa question say me di wachi for what o say I Kennedy ene oba party ni mache ba umi ba mu nche adenti a Gyimie oba hwe nim say ya kwa oba nso Gyimie ene ma asante a chemfo na nse nko bu eje ko prepare no de ombabu en me say e be du bra campaign time no mu de me hu nkrofo mbabu kwa the base be hu hwe ombehwe amanfo bu obabu no wo do be hu because omoko na no wo ma dwi na so omoko say MPP ye ko wo MPP ase ye ko wo MPP ase en obi odo MPP bia Gyimie no obabu the ancient come boy the ko ni group no obabu because who MPP no MPP perform good bibia nyen mai na misunderstand bi ni Ghana for a eduru me bi no omaye fed up say ya nto ni ma obium ya bre ana omasam ejamanfo obufuo amanfo omanto aba na mo nu ho no ye we wo mu no so the base kwatina obabu because amanfo tio my school fees untimi convince say ni pano and the base you know unen kasim bia we dey say we are there for you for what John Dramani ma ade ma the base no o ma bre pa John Dramani ma 133 no say 24-hour economy agenda 133 no so be no and be ma the base ya bre pa because any politician Ghana for who say so cars of bar 1 job 1 3 person 1 job 3 person 3 shift until 133 now buy no and no one na who say any president emaduma na da and ye be si so nkehwe ma Kennedy Japan no any otibo su mumu sese enkrofo do sen ana wan employ hom o kasa na workers ye 7,000 be si ne na sen ye deputation ko e fen sen senate ko busa say ye pe na yi ni pay on the workers pay wo mo so ni workers ko duro enu 500 Kennedy Japan say o to say na dwuma nkasa pa owa emunipa eduru 100 kwa oni bi oni adwuma emunipa workers 100 oni bi otiwo sisi ye na baka chero mba mama obi adwuma ye adwuma ne wahin afa na obesi industries no and son of how possible thing
na ye be hunu say sana we made an arrangement say sa de we ebi entun ebi wa na say ye bepe kwan bi ye de bebre na say ene binom ayenhwe ha ena niam bi ekoso ensuyiri ba ye media maintain say MPP for nkwa na form so what be dey fine ensuyo yiri ye maintain say afa SDA for nkwa ensuyo yiri ye maintain say afa president for nkwa ana Roman for nkwa they are metie ne say afa Ghana for afa ho awu ebinom amememo aye nim ba bi a omohye enu nti sa asem beton na say ye beka with the hope say ye mpanifu etie yen ebe hunu say ye pemasem de na enso 1 or 2 bi amoye ye na nko yie no Yes, yam fan crofobia. Na yanka say omo be defend it. Omo de ne say dia penina ye di to me man say won be ye adwuma. Tiu. Ye di to me share ne nsa bra be ye adwuma na fa bo a wo man. Penina wan be ye say adwuma no. Wenya sika bi e de atekabal bi say monko na monko ka say. Na abrantie di be de Solomon Owusu. Owo afafranto stroke UP plus yenim baby a omowo. Now I wonder, say Alan Kojo Tremantin is a serious person in life. Or no, I can't say serious person in life. Let me say Alan Tremantin is a serious person in politics. Now bitterness ne bonunu bi and our politics now. I swear to God, Sir Solomon Owusu should never speak for any political party. Sometimes, okay, yes, you work school, and I wonder school ban or call ye qualification ban the cross as Solomon Owusu. Because he talks like Captain Smart. Yanse be any or ye politics or can be in any year, not the aqua. I know. Because Obia, ye do what to panel so or represent a political party. Not subjects here, it's like you are not abreast with it, like Onimu share about the Ayeka. Or no to me nya adaje. Ebetsna Jose Sebio Dr. Baumia going on the grounds to meet the people affected by the floods, and yeah, excuse me to say,